Il Penalty Awards seconda edizione vi aspetta lunedì 8 giugno a partire dalle ore 18 qui nel cortile Platabone, Palazzo della Cultura, via Vittorio Emanuele 121. Tutto il gotha del calcio siciliano sarà presente. Vi aspettiamo!
No still means no. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry you anyway. Marry that girl. No matter what you say. Marry that girl. And we'll be a family. Why you gotta be so So say Geronimo, 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 sounds alright, sounds alright, sounds alright, say Geronimo. This love is ablaze, I saw flames from the side of the stage, and the fire brigade comes in a couple of days. Until then we got nothing to say and nothing to know, but something to drink and maybe something to smoke. I need you, come on, set the tone. If you feel the fire, won't you let me know? Sing! If you're lonely, come on, get involved. Feel it rushing through you from your head to toe. But if you close your eyes, does it all